Welcome, welcome dear student in a pharmaceutics first practical session. Myself, this is Darshana Sandeep Shinde, and let's start our today's practical session. Today we see the experiment number 19. Title of our experiment is to study the effect of the size reduction on the preparation of the strong ginger tincture IP. It is also which is also known as the essence of ginger using percolation process. For this purpose, we use the coarse powder and moderately coarse powder. Coarse powder is obtained by sieving through the sieve number 10, and moderately coarse powder obtained from the sieving through the sieve number 22. Learning outcomes of our today's session. After watching this video, students should be able to develop some intellectual skills such as to understand the advantages of percolation process over the other process, to understand the principle behind the imbibition and the packing in the percolator, and to develop the motor skill, that is skill for settling an extraction experiment. Today we also see some new concepts also, that is preposition 1, that is sieve number is indicates the number of meshes in a length of 1 inch, that is 2.54 centimeter in each transfer direction parallel to the wires. Then second proposition is the powders are categorized into the 5 grades depending upon their particle size. Particle size is expressed as A/B, where A is the sieve number through which all the particles must be passes, and B is the sieve number through which not more than 40% particle passes. Then we move toward the theory behind the tinctures. We move towards the theory regarding this tinctures. The introduction to tincture involves tinctures are, according to the Pharmacopoeia of India, are defined as a alcoholic or hydroalcoholic. That means it should contain a pure alcohol or some amount of purified water also, that is hydroalcoholic solutions, usually containing in a comparatively dilute proportions. The active principle of vegetable or animal drug. The solution of a chemical substance are not included in the IP. Definition of tinctures. Then however, in the USP, the solution of chemical substances are included under the tinctures. Strong, weak iodine solution IP. Then example of it, iodine tincture USP. These are, we see the applications of the tinctures for internal use and as a flavoring agent. First of all, we see as a internal use cardiotonics, example of it digital tincture IP. Then anticholinergic tincture, that is belladonna tincture IP. Then parasympatholytics dhatura tincture IP. Then emetic tincture, that is ipecacuanha tincture IP. And as a flavoring agent, orange tincture IP. This is the percolator. By this this is used for the preparation of the tinctures. Then we see the benefits of the tincture. Tinctures are very stable preparations and can be stored for the longer period without loss of potency, decomposition and degradation also. Because the reason of that, it contains the maximum amount of alcohol. Reason for fall in the popularity of the tinctures are increase the use of the pure drugs isolated from the animals, plants or prepared by the synthetic processes. However, tinctures are still in a use where comparatively low potency and large doses are recommended. Then we see the production. Tinctures are prepared by maceration, percolation and other suitable validation method. By using the alcohol of a suitable concentration, tinctures may also be obtained by dissolving or diluting extract in alcohol of a suitable concentration. Then we see the production, by which method this can be produced. First method is by production by the percolation method, which is also known as the process P. If necessary, the reduced matter to be extracted to pieces of the suitable size. Mix thoroughly with the portion of the prescribed extraction solvent, then allow to stand for appropriate time. Transfer to a percolator and allow the percolate to flow slowly, making sure that the matter to be extracted is always covered with the remaining extraction solvent. Then residue may be pressed out and express the fluid combined with the percolate. This is the diagram which shows the percolation process. This is the menstruum. Crude material will be placed here, then perforated plates and drain value, and finally from here we collect the extract. Then second method is the production by the maceration, which is known as the process M. Unless otherwise prescribed, reduce the matter to be extracted to pieces of the suitable size. Then mix thoroughly with the prescribed extraction solvent and allow to stand in a closed container for the appropriate time. The residue is separated from the extraction solvent and if necessary, press out. In the latter case, the two liquids are combined. In this method, we can use the wide bottle, narrow mount bottle, and place the solution into the alcohol or solvent for the suitable period of time, and then extract it. And by filter it, and the mark means the filtrate obtained by the filtration process. That filter we can press it, that solid material, and by this solid material also contain some amount of our extraction. By this way we get more and more extraction and collect the costly solvent. Then the third method is production from the extracts. Tincture is prepared by dissolving, diluting an extract using the alcohol of appropriate concentration. In this way we also collect the produce the tinctures from the extract also. Then we see the evaluation test for the tinctures. First, organoleptic character test. It involves the smell, taste, clarity, shaking. Then relative density, where it is applicable. Then dry residue, total solid content, where the applicable. In the flat bottom dish, introduced to 2 gram of or 2 ml of the tincture, evaporate to dryness in a water bath and dry in an oven at 100 degree Celsius and 100 to 105 degree Celsius for 3 hours. Allow to cool in a desiccator over the diphosphorus pentoxide and wait and calculate the result as a mass percentage in a gram per liter. Then alcohol content is it includes the determination of the ethanol, methanol and 2-propanol content. Then active drug content is also involved. Then storage, the store in a cool and dark place in a tightly closed container. Labeling should be involved or should contain whether the label it's from the vegetable or animal matter is used. Where applicable for the fresh vegetable and animal matter is used. Then concentration of alcohol used for the preparation. Then concentration of alcohol used for the final tincture. Then content of active principle and dose. Then we move toward the apparatus required for today's experiment. Electronic digital balance. Then measuring cylinder, well-stopped wide mouth bottles, filtration unit, glass or plastic panel, then filter paper, cloth piece for pressing the mark, then porcelain dish for evaporation of the menstruum and percolator. Then we see the formulation table. Formulation table as mentioned in the Indian Pharmacopoeia. It contains the ingredient, quantity given, quantity taken and use of the ingredient. Ingredients section. Ingredients ginger in a powdered form, which is for 500 gram for the 1000 ml. For 1000 ml, alcohol is 90% alcohol, quantity sufficient. Then, but here we calculate only for the 50 ml. So this can be or ingredient can be obtained by using the factor. Factor can be obtained by quantity required upon quantity given. Quantity required 50, quantity given 1000, so our factor is 0.05. By this we get our quantity taken. Ginger powder is used as a carbonative and alcohol is as a vehicle. Then we move toward the stepwise procedure. Weight equal to amounts of the 25 gram of a coarse powder and moderately coarse powder. Then imbibe the weighed drug with the sufficient quantity of the menstruum. Arrange the drug in the percolator. Add the menstruum to produce the total amount of volume of the 50 ml and macerate for the 24 hours. Percolate the saturated solution from the downward displacement. The rate of collection of percolate is generated 10 to 30 drops per minute. Then, after the collecting the required quantity, the mark is taken out from the percolator and it is pressed to recover the costly solvent. Express the liquid is mixed with the percolate and then final volume is made by adding the more menstruum. Then, evaluate the tincture for the organoleptic properties such as the smell, color, taste, clarity on the shaking and total solid content as described in the introduction. Then fill the formulation in the narrow mouth bottle, label it and dispense it. Then category of our preparation is carbonative, dose is 0.3 to 0.6 ml. Total solid content is not less than 2% weight by volume. Weight per ml is at 20 degrees Celsius 0.832 to 0.846. Then we move towards the practical session. We move towards our pharmaceutics first laboratory. Welcome dear student in a pharmaceutics first laboratory. In this session we see the experiment number 19, that is to study the effect of the size reduction on the preparation of a strong ginger tincture IP, which is also known as the essence of ginger, using the percolation process. In this process, percolation process, we use the coarse powder as a material and moderately coarse powder as a material. To obtain the coarse powder, we have to require the sieves, that is sieve number 10, and moderately coarse powder we have to require sieve number 22. Let's see the apparatus required for our today's experiments and chemicals required. In a chemical section, we have to require ginger powder and alcohol, erythanol 90%. In a apparatus section, we have to require measuring cylinders. This is our filtrating assembly, and these are the sieves, that is sieves number 22 and sieve number 10, which is required for our sieving the powder. And this is the percolator. The final assembly or the final practical we can do in the percolator because the size reduction or effect of the size reduction we can see by the percolation process. We have to take on only the 10 ml of solution. For this purpose we have to take 50 ml of our preparation. For that purpose we require 10 gram of ginger powder, we have to prepare only final solution is our alcohol use or our solutions contains only 20 ml. For this purpose we required 10 gram of ginger powder, so we take the only 10 gram. This is our final quantity. We take it twice. For preparing only 20 ml of strong ginger tincture IP, we have taken the 10 and 10 gram of ginger powder here. We take it twicely because first portion or first powdered portion we have to sieve into the sieve number 10, that is we got the coarse powder, and then second portion we sieve through the sieve number 22, from that we got the moderately coarse powder. Let's start. We take, first of all we take the sieve number 10, this is sieve number 10, and take the ginger powder, by this we get the coarse powder. In this way we got, this is our coarse powder, we kept aside. This is coarse powder we got from the sieving through the sieve number 10, and then we take the sieve number 22, from that we get the moderate coarse powder. By this we get the moderate coarse powder, and then this coarse powder, and this is moderately coarse powder, we labeled as here A as a coarse powder, and B, this is the B as a moderate coarse powder, kept aside for easy identification of both powders. Then we take the porcelain, 2 porcelain dishes, add these powders. This is our, we also labeled our porcelain dish to A and B. We labeled our porcelain dish for an identification of coarse powder and moderately coarse powder. This is A coarse powder and a B for our moderately coarse powder. We take the powder into the porcelain and also taken the second portion into the another porcelain dish, and we imbibe the powders with a sufficient amount of alcohol. Imbibe means to moisturize or add the sufficient quantity of the alcohol into it. For that we take the little amount of alcohol, then add alcohol slowly. Imbibe means moisturizing the powder by adding the sufficient amount of alcohol into it, or adding little bit alcohol into it. In this way we imbibe both the powders. We imbibe the coarse powder and moderately coarse powder, both the powder, and after that we have to arrange this into the percolator. This is our percolator. This is the mesh, we kept it aside, and at the while arranging the percolator we have to add first the cotton gauze at the bottom in this way. Then we have to add our this ginger powder, imbibe, which we already imbibe for half an hour. we add both the powders. Then we add the 20 ml of our menstruum. That is, we here use the menstruum as a alcohol. Menstruum is a liquid by which we can do the percolation process, or the solvent which is used for the extraction, which is known as the menstruum. This 20 ml of alcohol we add in our solution. Add this mesh over it. And place a lid on it and keep aside this percolator for 24 hours for the proper maceration. We see after the procedure after 24 hours. We place our macerated solution or macerated powder form into the percolator, and here we see our percolate is collected out almost with the rate of 10 to 30 drops per minute, and almost we collect our filtrate. And then this is the remaining, there is a remaining extraction. We mark it, or this mark is this is the water, pour the water, and we here, this is a muslin cloth. We use this muslin cloth for the remove by pressing the excess of our extraction. And then remaining extraction or remaining material, our extract, we filter through the muslin cloth. We press this mark to get excess of our tincture or our strong ginger solution. Press it and after that this part will get after the percolation process, and this will get after the mark, extraction of the mark, or by pressing the mark. And then this liquid was added to in our solution by getting percolators, added both of the solution, and finally make up the volume. And finally, while make up the volume, we get our almost 50 ml of solution, and measure to the measuring cylinder. And this our strong ginger tincture, by getting the percolation process, pour it into the narrow mouth amber color bottle. And this is our strong ginger tincture IP. By percolation process, we fill up into the narrow mouth bottle. We label it and dispense it. While making the label, we should write the alcohol content, category, dose, and by which sieves we use for the size reduction purpose, that is sieve number 10 and sieve number 22. They are also mentioned in our evaluation table, and we see the labeling details in the next session. After goes through the stepwise procedure, we move toward the observation and evaluation table. Observation and evaluation table contain parameters, particle size. Here we will use the sieves of sieve number 10 and 22. That's why particle size is 10/44 and 22/60. Total solid content is not less than here in a 10/44 is 50 gram and 22/60 is also 50 gram. Then labeling of the formulation. Label should be mentioned as it should contain all the parameters. First of all, the name of your preparation, that is strong ginger tincture IP. Then at the right hand side top should mention the net quantity or net volume of our preparation. Then each 50 ml content or each ml content should be mentioned, that is our ingredients content should be mentioned. Ginger powder form 25 gram, alcohol 90%, QS2 50 ml. It contains the vegetable matter. Category is flavoring agent. Its dose is 0.3 to 0.6 ml. Storage condition, it should be stored in a cool, dark place, tightly closed container. Then other manufacturing details such as the manufacturing license number, manufacturing batch number, manufacturing date, expiry date, and maximum retail price should be mentioned on our label. At the bottom of the label, we should mention the name and address of the manufacturer. If it contains alcohol content should be mentioned here. Then a result should be mentioned as, or should be written as, this concludes that the size reduction, the extraction efficiency increase. If the size reduction in the size, efficiency of extraction is also increased, then this is confirmed here. Then in a question answer session, give the principle of the imbibition. Imbibition means to moisturize the drug by applying the alcohol to get more and more content. Then state any two parameters for selection of the solvent system. Your solvent should be easily penetrated one. It should be easily to your drugs also. State the different stages of the percolation. Percolation, the first stage of the percolation is imbibition. Imbibition of the drug with the proper amount of your solvent, and then after that macerate the solution. Maceration can be done for the 24 hours or some period of the time. After that, in the percolator, place the cotton wool at the bottom, then add your macerated drug. After that, add the sufficient amount of the menstruum, then place this sieve or cotton and close the percolator for the defined period of the time. What would be the outcome if water is used instead of alcohol? We know that the penetration power of the alcohol is more than the water. That's why alcohol, if you use the alcohol, the more and more drug will be soluble. Drug constituents is soluble in the alcohol. What advantages does the tincture have over the formulations like the aromatic water and the spirits? We know that the aromatic waters contain the little bit amount of the alcohol and spirits contain the more and more amount of the alcohol, but the tinctures are more and more favored. Advantages have over the aromatic spirit and aromatic water and the spirits, because the tinctures contain have the more and more potent than the aromatic water and spirits one. State the advantages using the alcohol as a menstruum. If we use alcohol has a great penetration power, it gives the more and more ingredient content if we use the alcohol as a menstruum. Almost all the ingredients are soluble in the alcohol. What are the factors that influences the total solid content in the preparation of the tincture? The size of our preparation, then dilution ratio of the preparation. These are the factors which influences the solid content. Thank you very much for attending this practical session.